Hello, Isel.
Hello?
Where's your picture? Yan.
This was taken in Aurora.
Aurora.
Ampere Beach.
Okay, let me just zoom in. Wow. Beautiful. Is this sunrise or sunset?
Sunrise.
Sunrise. Wow. Buhay na buhay yung texture ng mga bato.
Thank you.
So,
Foreground element needs to be sharp.
Okay. So that's what's important pala sa landscape. Meron siyang foreground element.
Of course.
Okay. So, yung tubig, how did you create that blur effect sa tubig?
This is actually a long exposure shot. Yung water na yan, it's not calm at all. Basang-basa kami niyang oras na yan habang sinushoot namin yan. But because na long exposure siya, parang calm.
Parang ano siya, okay. So early morning yan. So sigurado yan, puyatan blues kayo niyan o kinunan nyo yan?
Sigurado. Gano'n naman talaga pag landscape.
Pag landscape, okay.
Medyo malakas ang pasensya mo.
Pero yung beach ba yan, mas malapit lang siya sa city or sa remote area?
Ano ba siya? It's actually by the road.
Ah.
So, nung pagbaba namin ng sasakyan, pinark lang namin yung sasakyan sa side ng road. Tapos parang bumaba lang kami.
Bumaba lang kayo. So you didn't like camp overnight there?
We did.
You did camp overnight. Okay.
Para hindi kami mahirapan pag ganun.
Okay. So quite challenging talaga yung landscape photography. So meron ka pa bang ibang photo rito? Okay. Sundan kita. So there's so many of the photos. Whole landscape here with chasing lights.
Looks prima. This was taken at Caliraya Lake in Laguna.
Caliraya.
Sunrise din ito. Kaya looks prima.
Wow,
Right?
mahilig ka sa sunrise talaga. So it looks like you're really an early bird.
Kinda. I'm a mom.
Okay.
Kaya looks prima kasi first light.
So pag sunrise, iba talaga yung quality ng light niya.
Parehas lang din. Actually, kung sunset siya or sunrise, parehas lang. But parang mas nadadalian ako mag-shoot sa sunrise.
Sa sunrise.
Mas mahaba yung time compared to pag sunset. Ang bilis.
Sa sunset masyadong mabilis.
Madilim na kasi.
But of course, the only thing difficult with sunrise is kailangan talaga maaga ang gisingan. Okay. So since you are early bird, walang problema.
Walang problema.
So I can see this in the foreground. These are like water lilies. Okay, so this water lilies creates the foreground effect. Wow, it's really beautiful. So kailangan dyan malalim yung depth of field mo para to come out from a clear foreground up to the background. Yeah. So I like also the color tone. Meron siyang green, then the red. So yung parang complementary colors yung lumalabas between the sunset and the foreground. No? Wow, it's really a great photos. Yeah. So how long have you been with Chasing Lights?
Yung workshop namin was held 2009.
2009.
So since then, we've been shooting together.
Okay. So Chasing Light batch 11. So it's just not a workshop anymore. It's like a
Parang camaraderie.
Okay. So balita ko nga as I interviewed Paul before, ang nangyayari pag yung isang yayaan lang, lahat game sa puro lakwatsero ang batch 11. Okay, that's why. Yeah. Yeah, fantastic pictures, yeah. So we're here. Yes, siya ang may ano niyan. So bago sa mong ano masasabi mo sa picture? Sige nga.
Pero hindi ko nakita yung ganyang composition niya.
Okay.
At hindi mo pa rin nakita yung photographers. So may ganun.
Yeah.
Ako yan, ako.
Siya kumuha niyan, okay. Okay, Isel. Thank you very much for the interview. So, hope to see maybe next year mag-exhibit uli ang Chasing Light batch 11.
Every June na raw to eh.
Every June na. Okay.
Mag-iipon na kami ulit.
Okay. So, a lot of outings. Okay. So, hopefully one of those outings makasama ako.
Oo naman.
Okay. Thank you very much. We're here at the exhibit booth of Chasing Light with their exhibition entitled From Dusk Till Dawn.